Welcome. Here we are going to see how to install MySQL database, that is 3.1.2, on a specific data node in a multi-node Hadoop cluster. We install MySQL database to store all the meta information of Apache Hive. One RDBMS installation is mandatory when we wish to use Apache Hive as a data warehouse in Hadoop cluster. By default, Apache Hive uses Derby database, but here we're explicitly installing MySQL to store the meta information, the Metastore. Please like and share with your friends if you feel it is worth for you. Please stay tuned with us for subsequent videos related to big data processing and related technologies, real-time case studies and POC execution. Thanks again.